So we're going to jump in here to lesson 4, working as teams. And so this one starts out with another number talk, except this time you are doing it with ducks. So you're going to use the same idea that we did with the squares. You're just going to looking more at the patterns this time. So I'm going to give you just about 30 seconds. And if you just want to put in the chat an idea you have or how around how you might see this image. Okay, so one person said seeing it as a 4 by 5, but taking away one of the missing ones. Three rows of 5 and 1 row of 4. Okay, yeah, a lot of people had the same idea of looking at it as a square and then taking one away. Oh, okay, another one, seeing it as a 4 by 4 and then adding 3 to it.
The next activity was originally designed to be something called yarn shapes, in which students take, and this is what you'll see in the materials, they have a long loop of yarn or string, and then they're challenged to work as a team to make different shapes and justify their reasoning. But whether you're in your classrooms this year or working virtually or something in between, that having students work in close collaboration and handling the same item together is not in alliance with social distancing requirements. So we were challenged to reinvent this activity. And so you are the first folks to play with broken squares, which we have developed from a very popular activity in leadership and group workshops. So the rules for it are that you may not talk during this activity, no chatting, nothing. So in the 100 numbers, you got to help each other out. You can't talk to do that in this one. You can't point, you can't use hand signals, you can't gesture with your cursor. And then you must put together, this is designed to actually put 2 squares together in your own space, and nobody else can tell you how to do it. You can't demonstrate for anybody else. You cannot take pieces from other players, but you can give pieces to other players in your group one at a time by moving a piece into their space, not putting it into their puzzle, but moving it forward for them.